What's up, everyone? Yesterday I went by Neil Netherwood's house, who is Solstice Woodcraft. He had a bunch of offcuts he was trying to get rid of, so I went by and picked it up. I'm actually running out of room on my wood shelves here. I have a huge pile here and a huge pile over here, so I kind of just put it in a small and little neat pile on the ground. But I had a bunch of raw pieces that I picked up, like this quilted silver maple. I've got some more ambrosia black maple. I have some curly maple here, and also some red maple burl. I have some black oak here, and I love how they're the raw pieces. I have some more cherry, some red elm. I also have this glued piece, which he was working on, but I cut it up into some more manageable pieces, like these blocks right here. But I made a couple pieces, and they turned out awesome.